Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top investing mistakes that every investor should avoid. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, steering clear of these pitfalls can save you from costly setbacks and help you build a more robust investment portfolio. Remember, this is not financial advice. 1. Failing to diversify. One of the most critical principles of investing is diversification, yet it's surprising how many investors overlook this fundamental strategy. Failing to diversify your investment portfolio adequately is a recipe for disaster. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket and hoping that basket doesn't fall. When you don't diversify, you're essentially betting everything on a single horse. Sure, that horse might sprint ahead for a while, but what if it stumbles? What if it falls behind? Your entire investment could suffer. Diversification is about spreading your risk across different assets, sectors, and geographic regions. By doing so, you can cushion the impact of any one investment's poor performance. If one part of your portfolio is down, another might be up, helping to balance things out. So, how can you diversify effectively? Start by investing in a mix of asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. Within each asset class, further diversify by selecting a range of investments. For example, in stocks, consider large cap, mid cap, and small cap companies across various industries. Remember, diversification doesn't mean you'll never experience losses, but it can help mitigate risk and smooth out your investment journey over time. Before we go to our second pick, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 2. Trying to time the market. Another common mistake that many investors fall prey to is trying to time the market. Market timing is the act of buying or selling investments based on predictions of future price movements. It sounds tempting, right? Buy low, sell high, and rake in the profits. The problem is, it's much easier said than done. Countless studies and research have shown that consistently predicting short-term market movements is incredibly challenging, if not downright impossible. Even the most seasoned professionals struggle to get it right consistently. Trying to time the market often leads to frustration, anxiety, and ultimately, poor investment decisions. Think about it. If market timing were as easy as it sounds, wouldn't everyone be doing it? The reality is, successful market timing requires not only accurate predictions but also impeccable timing for both buying and selling. Instead of trying to time the market, focus on time in the market. Invest for the long term and stay disciplined through market fluctuations. History has shown that the market tends to trend upward over time, despite short-term volatility. By staying invested and avoiding the temptation to jump in and out of the market based on emotions or predictions, you can increase your chances of long-term success as an investor. Of course, this doesn't mean you should ignore market trends altogether. Stay informed about market conditions and economic indicators, but don't let short-term fluctuations dictate your investment decisions. 3. Overlooking the importance of research. One of the gravest mistakes an investor can make is neglecting to do thorough research before making investment decisions. In today's fast-paced world, it's tempting to chase the latest hot stock tip or jump on the bandwagon of a trendy investment trend without taking the time to understand the fundamentals. However, investing without proper research is akin to gambling. Without a solid understanding of the companies or assets you're investing in, you're essentially rolling the dice and hoping for the best. And while you might get lucky occasionally, relying on luck alone is a risky strategy. Before investing in any company or asset, it's crucial to conduct due diligence. This includes analyzing financial statements, assessing the competitive landscape, evaluating management teams, and understanding the potential risks and rewards. By taking the time to do your homework, you can make more informed investment decisions and increase your chances of success in the long run. Remember, investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to put in the work to research and analyze potential investments thoroughly. 4. Letting emotions drive investment decisions. Another common mistake that many investors fall victim to is letting their emotions drive their investment decisions. The stock market can be a roller coaster of emotions, with prices fluctuating wildly from one day to the next. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a bull market or the fear of a downturn and make impulsive decisions based on emotion rather than logic. However, investing based on emotion is a recipe for disaster. Fear and greed are powerful emotions that can cloud your judgment and lead to irrational decision-making. For example, During periods of market volatility, fear may compel you to sell your investments at a loss to avoid further losses, only to regret it later when the market rebounds. Similarly, greed may tempt you to chase after hot stocks or speculative investments without considering the potential risks. To avoid letting emotions dictate your investment decisions, it's essential to develop a sound investment strategy and stick to it. This strategy should be based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon, rather than short-term market fluctuations or emotional impulses. Additionally, consider implementing techniques such as dollar-cost averaging or rebalancing your portfolio regularly to help mitigate the impact of market volatility. Ultimately, successful investing requires discipline, patience, and the ability to tune out the noise of the market and stay focused on your long-term objectives. 5. Ignoring risk management. A mistake that many investors make, especially those new to the game, is ignoring the importance of risk management in their investment strategy. Risk is an inherent part of investing, and while it's impossible to eliminate it entirely, you can take steps to manage and mitigate it. One common pitfall is investing too much of your portfolio in high-risk assets without considering the potential downsides. While high-risk investments often come with the allure of high returns, they also carry a greater chance of significant losses. Putting all your eggs in one high-risk basket can leave your portfolio vulnerable to downturns and market volatility. To avoid this mistake, it's crucial to assess your risk tolerance and diversify your portfolio accordingly. Allocate your investments across a mix of assets with varying levels of risk, including safer options like bonds and cash equivalents, as well as riskier assets like stocks and real estate investment trusts, REITs. By diversifying your portfolio and spreading your risk, you can help protect yourself against catastrophic losses. Additionally, consider implementing risk management techniques such as setting stop-loss orders or using asset allocation strategies to rebalance your portfolio regularly. These measures can help limit potential losses and ensure that your investment portfolio remains aligned with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Remember, successful investing isn't just about chasing returns. It's also about protecting your capital and managing risk effectively. By incorporating risk management principles into your investment strategy, you can navigate the ups and downs of the market more confidently and increase your chances of long-term success. And there you have it, folks. Crucial investing mistakes to avoid. By paying attention to these mistakes, you can help safeguard your investments against market volatility and protect your capital over the long term. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more investing tips and insights. And remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. Thanks for watching.